Are you looking to securely back up your contacts on Gmail using your PC? Well, you're in the right place. Let's walk through the simple steps together. First, head over to Google Contacts. Once there, you'll see all your contacts listed. Now, depending on what you want to back up, you have a few options. For a single contact, just tick the box next to the contact's name. For multiple contacts, tick the boxes next to all the contacts you wish to export. And if you want to back up all your contacts, just tick any box. Then click on Selection Actions and select All. After selecting your contacts, it's time to export. In the top right corner, click on More Actions, then Export. To ensure your contacts are safely backed up, make sure to choose Google CSV format. Then, simply click on Export to save your file. And that's it. Your contacts are now securely backed up on your PC via Gmail. Simple, quick, and reliable. Don't risk losing your important contacts. Follow these steps today to keep them safe and accessible whenever you need them.